7 reasons you should subscribe to Financial Freedom Hub Intro. Before you scroll, let me ask you one question. Do you actually understand how money works? Or are you just trying to survive month after month? If you're serious about financial freedom, then this video might be the most important one you watch today. Here are 7 powerful reasons why you should subscribe to Financial Freedom Hub and what you'll gain if you do. Reason number 1, you'll learn the truth about money. Most people are not broke because they are lazy. They are broke because they were never taught the truth about money. On this channel, you'll learn how money actually works, why people stay stuck financially, what truly builds wealth. No hype, no shortcuts, just truth. Reason number 2, you'll avoid costly financial mistakes. One wrong decision can destroy years of progress. Here you'll learn how to spot scams, avoid fake get-rich-quick schemes, protect your money. Because making money is important, but keeping it is everything. Reason number 3, you'll build real financial systems. Financial freedom is not luck, it's structure. You'll learn how to budget properly, how to create a financial plan, how to manage money with clarity, because without a system, money disappears. Reason number 4, you'll develop a wealth mindset. Your mindset controls your money. We help you think long-term, delay gratification, make disciplined decisions, because wealth starts in the mind before it shows in your bank account. Reason number 5, you'll learn how to grow your income. It's not just about saving, it's about growth. You'll discover high-value skills, smart income strategies, how to increase your earning potential, because one income is not enough anymore. Reason number 6, you'll build financial security. Life is unpredictable, but your finances don't have to be. You'll learn how to build emergency funds, reduce financial stress, create stability, so you can live with peace, not pressure. Reason number 7, you're building a future, not just watching videos. This is not entertainment. This is a transformation. Every video you watch here is designed to move you from confusion to clarity, from survival to stability, from stress to freedom. If you're tired of guessing with money, living paycheck to paycheck, falling for bad advice, then this is your moment. Subscribe to Financial Freedom Hub, because financial freedom is not luck, it's built.